Let's create a flicker effect in After Effects. First, make sure your clip is in the timeline. Right-click anywhere in the timeline, hover over New and select Solid. In the dialog box that appears, set the color of the solid layer to black and click OK. Once the black solid layer is created, select it in the timeline. Press the letter T on your keyboard to open the opacity settings. Now, to create the flicker effect, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and click the stopwatch icon next to the opacity setting. This will open the expression editor. In the editor, type this expression, wiggle, open bracket 15, comma, and then 10. Close the bracket and then type -90. Once you've entered the expression, press Enter or Return on your keyboard to confirm. Now play your timeline and you'll see the flicker effect applied to your video. The black solid layer will quickly change its opacity, creating the flickering effect. That's it. The flicker effect is now complete and ready to use. Adjust the values in the expression if you want to fine-tune the speed or intensity of the flicker.